Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be installing some aluminum grab handles by Xomzema. They're a replacement for nothing. There is nothing there from the factory. Now many of you are going to put the Paracord handles and they kind of hang down and you'll bang your head on them. It doesn't bother me too much, but let's check out these aluminum handles. They stick up out of the way and you're not going to bang your head on them. Let's go check them out. A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. The grab handles arrive in a nice protected box. They're an anodized aluminum and they come with all the mounting hardware that you'll need for the installation. I started this install by removing the driver's side left-hand bolt. To mount the handle, I inserted the included bolt into the hole, added the aluminum standoff, and then put it into the hole in the roll bar. Don't tighten the bolt down at this stage. Now you can remove the right-hand bolt. Insert the extended bolt through the aluminum grab handle. Don't forget to put the standoff in there and then affix it to the hole in the roll bar. And now you can tighten down the two bolts. I went back and hand tightened them with the included Allen wrench. As you can see, they're nice and strong when in place. Moving over to the passenger side, just repeat the process. Insert the included bolt into the grab handle, add the standoff, and then secure it to the roll bar. Remove the second bolt. And then put the right hand side of the bar together. And then tighten down both bolts. And again, I just hand tightened them at the end. So as you can see, it's a different look. They are out of the way. You can still grab them. They're strong, sturdy. I don't know how much weight I would want to pull on them. I feel like there's a pivot point there now with that standoff. But if you're fed up with banging your head on the Paracord handles, then maybe this is a solution for you. They're really nicely made. As I say, they're anodized aluminum. So check them out if you're interested. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.